flying the Neo for a majority of my time lately, so I almost kind of forgot what the Air 3S sounded like. So let's get it up in the air real quick. I think that it's quieter than the Neo 2. Definitely has a lower hum. It is a much bigger drone. I don't know if you're going to be able to catch this on the mic. Man, open props are scary. Seriously. I mean, compared to the Neo 2, I feel like it's much safer for me to fly the Neo 2 than the Air 3S just because it's open prop. But I haven't flown this thing in a while. Wow. It's so much faster.